Oh, wow.
Really moving now?
Yeah, when he runs hard. Knees are cold already. I think I found the trout hole, Joseph.
I think you did.
What do you think, boss? Keeps whipping her pretty good.
He is?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Off and on. Same hole as that last trout.
I was just getting mine laid down in the hole when you yelled flag, and I said, I hope he waits a minute.
I jigged till my fingers got cold. He's done.
Oh, he's there, huh?
Oh, yeah. He's been cruising. Go this way, I think. With kind of blowing at me. Oh, yeah, he's there. Oh, feels like a damn good one. Oh, I got fucking line screwed up.
Running at you.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a Laker.
That's a togue. It's a togue.
Friggin' Laker. I thought that was going to be a brookie right in here. 11 feet of water.
Well,
Randy's here.
Randy's here.
Yeah, Randy's here.
Yeah.
Figuratively, Randy.
Right.
Gotcha.
Oh, shoot. That's all right. Let me get him out of the water. Damn it. I was excited for a second. I thought that was a freaking brookie. Oh, look at that.
You can see a hook.
Swallow it?
No.
It's right there. Look at that, mister.
Right in the
Save
tongue.
hook. You hold that there?
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, it is right there. Gotcha. Yep.
Joseph.
Still looking fish.
15-inch togue.
Yeah, probably 15, 16. Nice, boys.
Good morning, everyone. We made her. We're up there to Moosehead Lake, out in Cowan's Cove. Got here yesterday, probably, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so. Took us quite a while to set up all of our tents. Looks like Tent City out here. There's, let me think, there's 5 of us here now, and I think 5 more coming throughout the weekend. Not sure exactly when. I'm gonna try and stay until at least Sunday. Might stay till Monday morning if the bite stays good and the weather stays decent. Looking forward to this because, man, our last 2 trips, Carp Pond and Long Lake Ice Fishing Derby this year was just ridiculously cold. Takes kind of some of the enjoyment out of it, especially if the bite's not on. Carp Pond we did well. Long Lake, I didn't even drill a hole Saturday. I just enjoyed the company. Didn't get much video up there. Hoping to get a lot of video here. Wound up putting a couple traps out yesterday afternoon around 2:30. Picked up a little brookie, somewhere 12, 14-inch brookie. And I don't know, half an hour later, maybe an hour, same trap, 11 feet of water. On a smell, halfway down the water column, I grabbed I thought was a smashing brook trout. I was pretty excited, screaming and hollering there when I brought it out, only to realize it was a Laker. Oh, shoot, but hey, it is what it is. We're going to fish hard today, tomorrow, and possibly Sunday. So hopefully we get you lots of footage. My videos have been few and far between this winter, so but we've been looking forward to this trip for quite a while. We have a buddy that passed away on us earlier last spring, I guess, and unexpectedly that got us all into ice fishing, and this is kind of a weekend, I guess, memorial to him. So we'll do what we can to make him proud. He's shining on some darn good weather for us this weekend. I'm looking forward to it.
That's a salmon. Nice. Bring him in, hot dog.
No.
Nope. Oh, maybe. He must have come back towards the hole. Oh.
Little brookie.
Oh. Another one.
Nice.
Salmon. Oh wow.
Salmon. Wow, in here. Man, I don't have this place figured out at all. Hold her up there, EY. Nice.
Whoa! Yeah, hands young they call him.
Is he heavy?
He is pretty good. He's slippery. That's a nice little one.
Yeah, good. I got it zoomed in anyway. You're gonna take care of his spool for him, Art?
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that. All right, there we go. Tim's taking care of it this morning. Sorry, Tim.
Get this position right.
Go on the other side of him or you're going to have a mess.
There.
Looks like a decent one, huh, buddy? Fighting? Oh, it's not knotted yet. He keeps taking it, huh?
He does.
Nice. Hope that's about a 4-pound brookie plus. Okay, let him have some line, Art.
Yeah. Jesus.
Every time he gets close to the hole, he rips him. Yes.
Have you seen it yet?
No, I've seen the marker, but every time when I see the marker is when he runs.
Boy, that's a heavy fish.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a heavy fish. Oh, not good job.
Ooh, look at that. Chicken thing.
Oh God, that is a tank.
Is it a brookie?
Can't tell.
It looks like a lake trout.
Oh, yeah, but whatever. Look at him. I mean, it's yanking on his hands.
Fight is on.
I'm trying to keep you out of the snow so you don't get caught. That's a nice fish.
This is going to make the weekend worth it right here. What is it?
I saw his tail. Can't tell what it is. He's starting to tire out. He's not running as far now.
But he's still 50 feet away from the hole.
Yeah. There's my leader right there.
He's a good guy. You got a stick.
Oh, there's a stick with it?
Stick.
There's a stick with it.
Yeah, but that stick isn't pulling him like that.
That's not
Yeah,
gonna be
if you bring it up a little bit more.
good. As far as I can bring it without breaking it.
Want me to reach down in there? Shit. Is he still running? That's the stick still there. No, I know, but if he's still running, I don't want to grab the stick.
He's just kind of hanging out at the moment.
Everything, turn the stick to come up the hole. That's what I'm trying to do. That's why
Let Lanky reach down in there. Hey,
can't turn that stick.
edit in.
Slack.
Nope.
Beep.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to go beep.
Joey, can you come in here with me? I've got just the tip of it.
Oh, don't lose this fish.
This is like delivering a calf or something.
The breach.
Am I
You gotta
locking
breach.
you up or?
She won't fit up
feels
the
like it's
hole,
separated.
Captain.
What's he got?
Big
Whale.
fish.
What?
Oh my God, that's that close.
Gotta be.
Oh, Kelly wants to run.
Let him run for a second. He just got that vibration and said,
Yeah.
I'm out of here.
Boy, that's gonna be a video all on its own.
I can get that stick again.
Oh, he's gonna run. You gotta rest. He rested now. He's got his breath back.
Whose flag is this?
It's Art's, but Tim decided to fish it for him.
If you get that stick back there when he's
Some people
done.
have to practice being
That's a heavy fish.
bleep. Not you.
I
It comes natural for
I
you.
couldn't turn the stick to come up the hole.
I got the line
Well, that was.
unwrapped around the stick once. So I don't know how much.
Right.
I don't know how many branches are on the stick.
Oh my! Look at that. We're in 10 minutes, or 9 minutes. Sorry.
Crazy.
And that's still got that much fight in it.
See the leader.
Be able to see the stick.
Almost.
Just stick your whole head in there, Eric, and block the light out.
He'll think he's not in the hole anymore. Exactly, Eric. Cover that hole right up.
Well, we're getting more of
Sticks
it.
we got here.
There's a couple more things.
Small little forest to bring it up.
Is it really?
No way.
I am not kidding.
It's got to be a friggin'
I was
state
gonna say,
record.
That's gotta be a state record.
Fall fish.
That's it.
Oh my God! That's I gotta. Oh my
All that for that.
Jesus! That things are that strong?
That old boy deserves to go back in the hole.
No, he doesn't.
kill him.
Kill
Oh,
that.
really?
Yeah, kill him.
Oh, yeah. Would you get the reel, please?
Yes.
Because
Show him, Eric.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Show him. It's not that tricky.
Yeah.
Nice. Another salmon, you think? Feel good?
Yeah.
Nice. Big old fall fish.
Yeah.
That's rude.
I watched him play a 15-inch Laker till my battery run out.
You need somebody to pull it out of the hole?
He just won't start his head in the hole.
This size one?
Deeper, yeah.
Another dink. Pull him up there. Let's get a.
Happy about that.
No.
Pull him way out.
Way out.
Hey, yeah, he looks freaking huge now, man. Joey's on the board. Laker board. Nice, buddy.
Don't feel too big.
No. Bring him in then.
Like salmon.
There you go. I think that's a salmon. Or a chub.
Yeah.
Like the hole, does he? Nice. 16 or so inch salmon, Joey.
Yeah.
Pick him up, get a good picture, and I'll shut this video off, then you can take care of him. Or you're gonna measure him first? Okay. Well, we'll count that one. You had him on the ice. Nice. Good. Good job, buddy. I think that was at least 16.
Yeah.
Boy, if there's something there, it's the size of my bait.
Maybe it's just playing possum. Oh, the infamous stick fish. Try them out, they're good eating.
Thank God for art.
I don't know if you want to thank
It
God
might be
or
another
Satan.
stick.
One of the two, though.
But got a lot of line.
Get you wrapped up.
No, I mean it feels like there's something there,
Oh,
but
why don't we say
it
something
feels
about
like the
his?
stick did.
Why don't we say something about Timmy's
Oh,
reel?
there's a fish there.
Look at that cluster down there, Perkins. Would you say something?
What cluster of what?
Oh my God.
Well, I mean, that's up to you guys. You want to use that rubber band or not?
No, I'm talking about Timmy's reeling.
Oh,
Oh, he just went off.
No.
Oh, was he there?
Was it just a figment of your imagination?
Tim's poking him in the eye with his own flag.
Be careful, he's headed for you.
All right, see if he comes back.
That perch.
Didn't we? Holy cow!
It's one after another.
Told ya. When I set that thing in the hole, I thought it was malfunctioning. There was so much shit on it. I guess I ain't gonna set that trap there.
I guess not.
I got you a bait bucket. You owe Eric $25.
Alright. You guys go to the store or something?
I went to the shop across the way, got some fresh bait and stuff, Joe.
Nice.
Didn't even know it was there.
Yeah, it's a bed and breakfast. His rates are actually very good.
Really?
115 a night, split by I think 2 people's.
He told me to find a perch hole.
You found one. Now find a white perch hole.
Dad found it for him.
Yeah, he did.
Them are big.
Yeah, a couple of them are. That one, those are really nice.
Fun though, ain't it, on that jig pole? The
is.
bigger.
They were biting that giant white too.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I figured. I mean, they were aggressive. They took 3 spelt from me in a row, the little pricks. There, I'm gonna have to find a new place. Billy's taking over this. Any flags up in there, or you've been ready to hear?
I've been here.
Okay, I'll go ahead and take a look. That's awesome.
This one's small.
What do you got on?
Just a little trout magnet.
Yeah. Oh yeah, one of them. Oh yeah, the rubber jig. You've been looking for a hole like that for years.
Yeah.
Okay, well I gotta go. You got my bait or no?
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay, well I'll just use this one for now. We'll switch later or whatever. It's basically the same thing. The only thing is that one don't have the worm pocket at the top.
Okay. Oh, not the jig, it's just dead sticking it.
That's awesome. I'm gonna go and check my traps. I'll come back out.
Alright.
Eric probably come out if I tell him there's. Holy cow, that might be a freaking record.
We're gonna have like 30.
Dude, that's freaking awesome. That'll be it. Look at this tank. Freaking huge.
Wow, it's a nice fish.
Oh man, he's got that
Right down his thigh hole.
Shoved it in his gullet, huh?
Yeah. Almost need a bigger jig for these guys. Drop a jig pole down there, Eric.
Oh, my jig pole's in my other thing. I moved it because I was cleaning all the perch, so.
Oh, yeah.
But,
Oh, yeah.
so my jig pole's sitting in the thing.
I'm gonna need a new one after this.
Oh, no.
Oh, I saved it.
Good.
A few slabs there, huh?
Well, I think we'll have some fish tacos, is what I think.
The size of them things.
They're awesome.
Flying back to camp.
You don't even have
Yeah.
to work at it. It just let it hit bottom, reel it up a little bit, and it's on.
Have you got your Vexlar out here or no?
No, I took it off when we ran in town there, or into the boat landing. Huh. There he is. All just little fatties.
And they
This
are.
12, 13-inch yellow.
Yep. And they got some shoulders on them.
Yeah.
What are you using for a lure?
It's a fish frostbite. I think it's called a tantrum. It's just a little one, like 1/4 ounce maybe. I don't know the weights, but I think it's their tantrum. But it's
Well, I see the color looked pretty weird.
yeah, it's a cross between Wonder Bread and.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we just had one of the best fish shore catch and cooks I've ever had in my life, and it's jumbo yellow perch on Moosehead Lake. Cooked by no other than Eric, the chef Young. I have got nothing creative for that. My God, yellow perch, just as white as haddock. My God, it's good.
Give you a close up.
His homemade catch and cook. Look at that. My God, that's friggin' yummy. What a great weekend. Absolutely delicious. Who'd have know? Who'd have thunk it? I've fed the eagles more of them things, and unbelievable.
Did we come back with the hole?
Was you just under the ice? So it took some line. There's a bottom marker. Is that an old one? Oh, there he is. All right.
Not holding any pressure. You want something?
He will. He likes to play with it. No matter what it is. Huh? Has to be a togue. He swam back on the hole that far. Feel like he's heavy?
I don't want to tie a hook on.
Nice.
Nice.
That's it. Hold him up and get a quick video. Oh, let me get your face there. Good job, brother.
not small.
No?
No. Unless I got a tree. Which I could have. No, that's a fish.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. You got knots up there all the time.
Oh yeah. That's from 80 feet of water, man. I hope there's a fish on the end of this. It's not just a stick.
Be more funny if it was just a stick, though.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
Oh, there's a stick.
Oh yeah, I just see there's a fish there. Can't see down the fucking hole. Jake, grab my scoop out of there, bud.
Oh.
You gotta get that stick off of there. Hey, try that real trick you showed me. That's fine. As in the rail is all fucked up. Oh.
Didn't like that.
This is trout of some sort. Nope, small salmon.
Oh.
Okay. Small salmon.
Beauty.
Is that 18? I don't care if it is. It's going back. Want clippers? Here. Yeah, just cut her, bub.
All right. Look.
It's gonna be epic.
You snowed in, buddy. You need a ladle? Art's got one. Oh, you don't have your lucky ladle. There ain't no fish on here now. Yeah, that green flag.
Oh, you hear him? Oh, there's some. Oh.
Somebody definitely nobody messed with this one.
You don't know that. I was out here a while.
Not even me. Oh.
That's that.
Some spare
That's good for the trap.
Yeah, not really. Thank you. I should have known Art would have something gay.
Well, you were using it, weren't you?
Well,
Apparently. All right, wait, Eric, you're recording, right?
yeah.
What if I'm spooled?
Oh, wait, I guess you can't.
It's been up for a while, I'd say. At least for a few minutes anyway.
Probably. I still see green on
Nate, did you see it up when you came out?
I honestly wasn't looking.
No? Okay.
You were laser focused on your job at hand.
What, you can't scoop with the hammer thing?
Do that,
I guess
doing that.
not.
Hit my friggin'.
Yeah, I got
You
it.
got it? Go ahead.
Well, it's off to the side, maybe.
Could be playing possum.
I guess I should give Joey back that bait.
Nope, but I will take it. Tim's, I believe.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's going on. I don't think there's much of it.
Yeah,
Well,
there's
well,
something going
I hate
on.
to tell you, but the reel is moving. So that,
Oh, yeah, there's something.
Wow.
Is it something good?
caught on goddamn.
Oh, no.
Your what?
Again?
Didn't use the band trick.
Come on.
Maybe it's just really big.
A really big rock. I'm pretty sure rocks can't eat hooks and fish.
Oh, they
okay?
can. Did you get it loose?
Yeah, you got it.
You did.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, Jesus.
Got some shoulders?
Well, unless it's got a stick wrapped around it, it feels like it might be heavy. Please reel the line, boys.
Oh, why don't you yell at him?
I am.
No yelling. Tiger trout. Nice, Sam. Oh,
Oh, that's a brookie.
That is a brook.
Nice brookie, Chris. 13 and a half.
I don't think so.
You got a tape right here. We'll tell the truth.
Where's Pond with the steak?
Pond is coming with his tape.
Gave the art? Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not allowed to reel. I can just hold it.
Call it 15, yeah.
15. Nice.
That's a good brookie.
Let me get around the sun.
Still is not as nice as the one that Eric caught, but yeah.
Nice fish, Perkins.
Yeah, I know, Perkins.
There
caught
you go,
another
buddy.
Fish, okay?
Yeah, I do.
Blah, blah, blah.
It happened.
There's another fish from Richie, buddy. To me.
Do I get to pull it up, count it too, or?
No, I'm gonna.
Straight down?
Nothing on this one.
Oh, there it is. Dude, you are good.
Not only did you catch him once, you caught him twice.
3 times the lake.
whack.
Crap, that's amazing. I have never seen that in ice fishing.
That's what happens when you take a nap in the middle of the day
Yeah,
ice
you
fishing.
should never go to sleep and not watch your turn.
All right, let's go get your.
All right, let's go.
We'll go get a real one.
Let's go catch a fish and let's.
Oh, he's there.
Salmon.
Ain't that a pretty pink one?
That's what she said.
Looks like the hook's right there.
It is.
It is?
Take a.
Yeah, I'll take it. Hold it.
You see the hook?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, that's the bait.
Oh no.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Is that flag up too?
It is.
Yep, we got 2.
Oh,
Let that go.
Get him, Joe.
Yep.
That's gonna have
Kept
to
the
be
bait
fast.
sticking right out of his mouth.
See the hook, but
Can you?
not good enough without killing him. Just cut him. Just cut it.
Let him keep it.
Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to hurt him.
You all right?
Now he's little. No, it's not the bait, but I haven't even felt the head shake yet. So I don't know if he's. I don't know if he's coming back in the hole or what's going on, but he's not very big. Yeah, must be getting close.
Holy cow, Eric. Got your line.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah! All right! Boat. That.
That's what he said. Rick said.
There we go. That's what we came here for. Roll him over. Let's get a picture of that.
That's what we came for.
Good
right there.
job, buddy.
Woo!
19 inch?
19 inches.
God, he's 2.5, 3 pounds, ain't he?
Yeah.
Good job, Aaron.
Beautiful
Nice.
fish.
That's what we're here for.
Oh, yeah.
You're on it this year, huh?
Oh, I'm something. Oh, yeah.
Give her hell, buddy. Good for you.
There you go, buddy.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. He might be there.
Oh, you got her, buddy.
I think he might be there.
I'll take the spool.
Hopefully it didn't wrap you around a rock.
Oh, fall fish.
Fucking mountain trout.
I got something good. Slippery little bastard. Probably swallowed right to his asshole. State record?
Yeah.
Can't see it. Oh yeah.
It's off to your right.
Okay. On the rocks again.
Did you band this one? Did you do the rubber
Boy, I can
band
feel
trick?
it pulling now.
Is he pulling?
I can feel him on there.
Maybe let him take some line out. He'll loosen him out for you.
Well. Oh. Come off whatever that was on. Don't think he's there.
He caught pretty far. It's still to the side.
Well, I wish somebody else would run that reel besides Art. He's a train wreck.
The hell!
Jesus, look at you.
Oh, you.
Usually I can see where that line's going, but the ice is so damn thick.
Yeah.
All right, time for frozen hands, right?
Right.
Okay. Feel anything yet? Oh. There he is.
Nice.
Salmon.
Nice.
Another little salmon. And I'm going to give it to him, I think. Yep.
Nice.
Joey with a flag. She's still rolling.
Still
Yep,
there.
he's still there.
Party, sir.
My party, he goes.
Nice. Feeling any head shakes, Joey?
Yeah. Nice.
Swimming at me right now.
Holy cow, you took some line. That was a short amount of time.
Good, Joe.
Who?
See it, your fingers. Don't you lose him.
Don't like the hole.
And that's a good thing.
He is not.
If that's a friggin' 6-inch trout, I'm gonna kick you in the nuts.
It probably is.
Can you see
It's
down the
I think it's a
hole now?
salmon.
Yeah, I think it's a salmon too. I thought I just saw a flash of silver.
Wow.
It's a salmon.
Yeah. Oh, nice
It's
salmon
a nice
too.
salmon too.
Yeah, very nice salmon. Nice. All right, let me get you out of your way so you can bring this bad boy in. That's a fairly thick one. Nice, Joe. Oh my God, that is nice fish, Joe.
That's probably 16.
Well, we'll get a measurement on him here in a second.
Sorry, I
Set him back in the water for a minute. You got it? Okay. That's 18 and a half.
Yeah. Good job, bud.
That's a nice fish.
17 and a half.
17?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice fish.
All right.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Nice job, Joe.
Haha, gave us the wave.
Say goodbye.
We got
Be a real man.
Did he make her all the way to the rubber band? I don't think so, did he? That's the rubber band. Wide open. Christ, I just put that in the water. All right.
Temperature's dropping a little bit now.
I got it.
Nope. I'd say she's empty.
Raped me, didn't he?
He did.
Holy cow.
Oh, he smashed it.
I guess.
Let me get a good picture of that.
How'd you miss that hook?
Wow, he smashed that.
I guess he did.
You got bait with you?
No, I'm not going to rebait it.
Okay.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there when you're down and down.
Hi guys, we made it home. Got back from Moosehead Lake, had a great time. Oh goodness, we had probably, I don't know, 13 people at one point there. Big crowd. It was kind of a memorial to a buddy of mine who we lost this spring unexpectedly, and we're going to try and do it each and every year from this point on. Caught a lot of fish. Didn't get all of them on video, but you know, we were out there looking for big brookies, and our buddy Eric Young pulled through for us there. Got a sweet brook trout, little football, I don't know, 19, 20 inches. Bunch of small 12, 14 inch brook trout. I think I caught my PB brook trout was 15 inches. That's pathetic, but I got one anyway. Some togue, and salmon. Caught a bunch of salmon from anywhere from 12 to 20 inches, I think. And we got into some monster jumbo yellow perch. I found a hole on accident trying to set a togue trap, and my son-in-law jigged up like 40 of them, and I went out and jigged up another 10 or 15, but they were all 10 to 14 inch fat yellow perch. Eric filleted them out. We had a delicious shore lunch, catch and cook, whatever you guys want to call it, but it was awesome. Anyway, looking forward to doing it again next year. I'm hoping we get a Chamberlain Lake trip in March sometime. I'd like to do late March. I know brook trout fishing is a little better early and late in the season, or seems to be. Hopefully the Chamberlain holds out and doesn't get too slushy and ridiculous. But anyway, until next time, take care. Talk to you later.